In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add records in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the simplest and most common method, which is adding records manually. This is perfect when you just need to enter a few leads, contacts, or accounts and want full control over each detail you're adding. First, start by logging in to your Zoho CRM account. Open your browser, go to the Zoho CRM website, and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your CRM home screen or dashboard. Next, look along the top navigation bar for the module where you want to add a record. Common modules include leads, contacts, and accounts. Each of these modules represents a different type of information. Leads are typically new potential customers. Contacts are people you already have a relationship with, and accounts usually represent companies or organizations. Click on the module tab that matches what you want to create. When you're inside that module, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says New, followed by the module name, like New Lead, New Contact, or New Account. Go ahead and click that button. This opens up the creation form for your new record. Now you'll see a form with a series of fields to complete. Take your time here. Start by filling in the basic details you know. As you do this, pay special attention to the mandatory fields. These are usually marked with a small indicator, like a red asterisk, and Zoho won't let you save the record unless these are filled out. For example, in the Leads or Contacts module, a common required field is last name. In the Accounts module, a typical required field is account name. Make sure you enter those before moving on. It's also a good idea to add any other key details you have available right now, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or company information, so your record is more useful later. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked anything important for accuracy, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button. Click Save to create your new record in Zoho CRM. After saving, you'll be taken to the record's detail page, where you can review what you've entered and continue updating it over time. And that's all you need to manually add records in Zoho CRM.